Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sikander. I'm a farmer and an engineer. Now, open field farming seems like the worst kind of business anybody should be getting into right now. We've all heard of climate risk, soil degradation, deforestation, environmental and health impacts, and we know how the story is playing out, particularly for smaller farmers right now. The odds are definitely stacked against it. But open field farming is the bedrock of our food ecosystem and also our rural social fabric. And it must be fixed as no other modern technique can truly completely replace it. Now, our thesis is that organic regenerative agriculture with a strong focus on climate resilience and adaptation is the long-term solution. This means farms which are growing multiple crops with trees at any given point of time, focusing on soil rejuvenation, circularity, rainwater management techniques, among other things. But there's a catch. For this to work at scale, it has to be viable at mandi or market prices, and it has to be implemented in a form which enables the farmers to accept and embrace this change. We're taking a three-pronged approach. The first thing is to simplify the complexity. Now, growing multiple crops and trees at one time is quite complex. Doing it organically, definitely more so. Add the climate resilience bit on top, and now you've got a very interesting situation to solve for. We believe that we need to build the right knowledge bank by combining the latest research out there, convert it into an actionable solution, and then transmit this information to the farmers in a manner that they can understand. For this, what we're doing today is we are working on translating existing academic research and engineering solutions to the ground. And we are complementing the same with our own in-house work. And we are transmitting this information through a farm ERP that we have built in-house, which is called Farmed, which basically communicates to the end user in the form of checklists. The second thing is seeing is believing. Now, climate resilient farming is a very significant departure from the way farming is done for the most part today. And we have to ensure that farmers can see that whatever solution is being offered works in their own backyard before they buy in. So today, we operate our own farms. We are selling the produce that we grow on the farms. We are selling our specialized inputs as well as advisory services. And the last thing is to solve holistically. So monocropping is done for a primary reason that it works for economies of scale. Now, when you convert to multi-cropping in the same small acreage, it just won't make sense anymore for the farmer. So we have to look at how we can solve for the farmers' supply of inputs and for market linkages. And that's where we believe that our existing structure can be leveraged to deliver better returns for the farmers and us. So we've been farming for 6 years now, 8 farms, 30 acres. And we've seen that the basic unit economics are showing that a regen ag model is viable at mandi prices already. And that too in the first year. So no waiting for 5 years for organic to catch up to the end result. We are an integrated company, so we are seeing that we can collaborate with others and create best-in-class solutions. And finally, we have a razor-sharp focus on productivity and operations to make our farm performance better than conventional farming in general. I leave you with a visual, an unfiltered visual of our work in action, and invite you to join us in building an uncompromised world. Thank you.